Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel, and I'll be taking you to my week. Stay tuned. Hi naku, it's Monday, work day. Work. What's up guys, it's Tuesday and we are here at the game room because we are having a vlogging workshop. Alright, see you anywhere. And yeah, mga to, muna among workshop, so gigutom na ko, ubang ita sa kong kaayuhan guys. Hello guys, it's Hump Day Wednesday and guwapos ako dito guys, mas pwede pa. Ay, pwede pa?
Unsa sir?
Third cup?
Third cut?
Oo.
Aris sir?
Pwede na.
Okay.
Yes, pwede na. Get it?
Minutes later.
Alright, good boy look sa taron. How's my new hair guys? Good boy look from fuck boy to good boy. Alright, nagigutom na ko. Mukha mo sa kadali. And it's Thursday and habit ng mga week. Ako karon sa clinic sa dentist and I'm way too early here and it's still 7:45 and the clinic will open at 9. But nilutning sa'yo para ako yung una ma-serve. Ay ako yung una ma-check ni Doc. Kaya matupak mag-kuan later at matupak ko hospital na po parang ko check up sa ko ang gastro. So muna siya. It's adulting and health time. Thursday.
2 hours later.
Wala ka rin ba?
Marunong. Ugman ako mga best. Sakit na po akong ngipon kay continuous na po balik ako ang bands of braces. Kanya na ay parrot diri sa clinic ni Doc. Tanaw kayo ninyo guys. Tingnan mo. Wapo ko. Tingog. Hindi naman tingog man. Alam mo eh. Hey guys, so after my dentist appointment, after nahugot ako ang ngipon, nakatulog ko diri sa Perpetual Support Hospital to have my follow-up check-up sa ko ang tiyan. Kuan, nagkandaghan na magtao. Ay, Doc, karapong na balik. So good news guys, ayun na daw ko. Pero napapagamay mga na-feeling na sakit. Pero ginisitaan mga painkillers. So what lang na siya mga diarrhea na lang ba. So good news and gutom na ko sa mga mata. TGIF and I'm back to work.
And yes, the weekday is over, and the reason why I made this video is that I would love to say thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel and being with me throughout my vlogging journey. 500 na to mga best! Yay! Because of that, I will be giving 3 of this 4-eyed laagan caps. Yes, tulo ka buok 4-eyed laagan kalo as a thank you for being with me throughout my vlogging journey. So mechanics, just see it in the description box below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and good luck, and bye bye.